Today we're going to answer the question and concern of why do I see so much hair loss when I shower? As a basic rule, we all lose between 50 and 100 hairs per day. So the more days you go without washing, the more hair you're expected to see in the shower. For example, if you go every 3 days before washing your hair, you could see up to 300 hairs in your drain. So what happens is you create this vicious cycle of concern that the more time you delay between your washes, the more hair loss you see. And so you think that by the manual manipulation of your hands is actually causing the hair loss itself. When it comes to women in particular, I do get some pushback about washing hair every day because of the maintenance it takes to dry the hair. I certainly understand, and I would recommend at least going every other day. The reason is you should treat the scalp like the face. You certainly don't go to bed with a full set of makeup on. And makeup is still technically your hair fibers, your minoxidil, your gels, your mousses, your dry shampoo, and your hairsprays. So the more days you go without washing, the more all that hair product buildup is sitting on your scalp, and it is certainly not hygienic and can alter your hair health. For more information on scalp and hair hygiene, please log on to yakermd.com. Thank you.